Hi, this is Dan with a review of this. This is a wireless adapter for the Xbox 360, and believe it or not, this doohickey runs you $100. But let me tell you why it's worth it. The Xbox 360 natively does not come with any pre-built-in wireless connectivity. It does have an Ethernet port at the back of its system though, but you're going to have to run basically network cable throughout your house to wherever your cable modem is or wherever you can plug in. Chances are it's usually not next to your entertainment system. Mine's in my basement. I'd have to run probably 75 feet of Ethernet cable down there through air ducts, drywall, and probably end up in my utility closet somehow unless I had a wireless adapter. Well, good news is we do have a wireless router in the basement, so we do have our private little wireless network here, and using this adapter we can tap into that seamlessly by plugging this into the Xbox. No drivers, no installation, just plug it in, clip it on, and you are wired to your Xbox Live through your existing internet connection. Downside obviously is the price. The price of this thing is probably 3 times more than you're going to spend on an alternative method that you could do to jimmy rig a gaming access point to your Xbox 360. But two things: you need to know a little bit of a technical know-how, and also it's not as elegant having a access point next to your Xbox 360 as this little device that actually is built into the security feature lock. I think there's actually an extra security feature hole in the back where it basically locks in, clamps in, connects to the USB port in the back, and seamlessly gets you on Xbox Live. Let's see if I can show you the installation process, believe it or not, on video. Watch. And get up to the back here, plug in the USB to the back of the Xbox 360, and I think it's in. Let me just double check here. Alright. And we clamp it on, pushing it in here. Light is green. We are seconds away from being online here. Let's give you a clear shot. We'll go ahead and try to sign in here. And you can see signing in here. It's already identified, handshaked into my network, hopefully. And voila, we're on Xbox Live. That's how easy it is. If you have $100 to spend, I'd highly recommend it. I give this 4 out of 5 stars. Other than its steep sticker price, it is by far an excellent product. This is Dan in my review of the Xbox 360 wireless adapter.